Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete Yahoo Finance portfolio. It is a very simple process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Yahoo Finance app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, here you can find the option of account. Simply tap on it. After that, tap onto your account name right here. Now go ahead and select it. Then here you can find the option of manage accounts right here. Now tap on it. After tapping on it, here you can find the option of edit button at the top right corner. Now select it. Then here you can find the option of remove. Simply tap on it. After removing it, you can simply delete the Yahoo Finance portfolio. Now simply tap on to remove. And that's it. This is how you can delete the Yahoo Finance portfolio. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.